Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Justin Stokes Outdoors. Today I'm in the shop. I've seen a lot of buzz on Facebook and the internet about cleaning your boat carpet with shaving cream, and so I was just going to show you guys today how you do that. I know a lot of guys have been asking exactly how to do it, so that's what this video's for. All you're going to need to do it is you're going to need a carpet shampooer or a shop vac. The carpet shampooer works a little better, but you can do it with just a regular shop vac. You're going to need a couple cans of shaving cream, just the Barbasol original. It's pretty good stuff. And then you're going to need a stiff bristle brush. You can get all this stuff for under 30 bucks is what I got it all for. The most expensive part is renting the carpet shampooer, and it was like 25 bucks for the day, which is plenty of time to do your whole boat. So let's get started. So as you can see here behind me, I actually poured coffee and chartreuse dip and glow on my carpet. My carpet was already pretty clean. There's no major stains in it, but I wanted to show you guys how well this actually works. So I actually did pour this stuff on there just for the video. I got it taped off so that I can show you guys a before and after of what it looks like. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step of the process is going to be to get the carpet damp, and I'm going to use the carpet shampooer to spray the water on it and get it wet so that we can start working the shaving cream into it. Alright, so once you've got the carpet wet, you're just going to put some shaving cream in there pretty generously. Then you're going to take your stiff bristle brush and just work it into the carpet really good. Alright, so in the area where you can see the stain, I'm going to work a little bit more in there. If you've got some stains, you might have to hit them a couple times to really get it. Alright, once you've worked it over really good, you're going to put a little bit more water on it and do that again. Now if your carpet's fairly clean and you don't have any major stains and you're just trying to get the dirt and kind of bring back the fluff to your carpet, you probably won't have to hit it multiple times. You can probably just get away with doing it one time, but since I'm trying to get these stains out, I'm going to scrub it one more time. Alright, now that we've worked it over a couple times, we're ready to actually vacuum it out with the carpet shampooer. So I'm going to do that now. I'm actually going to vacuum it this way, forwards and backwards, and then I'm also going to hit it from side to side to just really get that dirt worked out of the carpet. You may need to add a little bit of water. Alright, so I don't know how well you can see it in the video, but there's still just a slight bit of the chartreuse dip and glow. So I'm just going to hit this spot again. All the rest of the carpet looks really good already. The coffee stain's gone. The dip and glow is a little bit harder to get out, but you can get it out. So I'm just going to work this area. And make sure you work it good from all angles. All right, we're gonna vacuum it out. Alright guys, I just finished up shampooing the carpets with the Barbasol shaving cream. I took the boat outside for a little while to let the sun dry out the carpet, all the water that was in it, so that you guys could see the finished product. It took me a couple times to scrub out the dip and glow, but the coffee came out in the first time. You can see it's the dark spot up here. But all in all, it worked really well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and it helps you out. If you liked it, subscribe and hit the like button, and also check out my videos on removing the oxidation on your boat. Thanks for watching.